This your boy Black Ice. We live here at Thornton Township High School in Harvey, Illinois, and we just kicking it. Black Ice just got done performing, representing the Poet organization. We have an invite from our Indiana chapter poet sister, Sister Jerry Lucas. Y'all give it up. And we're standing here with our young teen, Jessica, who is just, has some feedback about today's event. You saw Black Ice perform. Tell the people what you thought about Black Ice and Poet. Jessica?
He felt like he spoke to me. I think he spoke to me particularly like he was in my shoes. During with my mom, where I have problems and everything, it just felt like he gave me advice, and I think that I just belonged where he needed to talk to me in order to come home to my mom. Right.
So you spoke earlier, and you said that you had moved out of your mom's house, and you guys weren't on good terms or whatever. What is your thoughts about that situation now?
At first, before you performed, I had nothing else to do with my mom. I was through with her, and then you just spoke to me. It's like you never know like when it's your time, and it feels like maybe I do need to go talk to my mama. Maybe we need to get on grounds, and even if I'm not the one that's sleeping, she's probably not the one sleeping either. So I think I just need to go home and talk to her.
Give her a nice round of applause.